Hello everyone, welcome to The Technical Fist. I am Tarun and in this video I'll give you a brief introduction about the upcoming series. First, let me introduce myself. I'm a software developer and my primary skill is Android development. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video tutorial. Alright, for the upcoming video series will be about Python, okay? We will basically cover up all the basics, all the, looping and declaring variables and all the basic stuff. So if you are a non-developer and if you have never ever done programming before, this is a good opportunity for you guys. You can basically follow up this video series and then you can, start yourself as a programmer, okay? You can create a great career in programming language as a developer. Programming is not difficult, so if you think programming is really hard or it includes some sci-fi knowledge for you to do all these things, well, that's not true, okay? Everyone can do programming. I can prove that right now, okay? Let's take an example, right? So you go to the market and you check like if pocket equals 10, buy chocolate. If pocket equals 5, buy a toffee. As you see, programming is very simple and anyone can do programming, okay? You just need to use your everyday logics in programming, and that's how easy it is. So this is how we started this series with Python. Actually, I'm an Android developer, but why we started this series with Python? Because Python is said to be the most easiest programming language of all, and this language is best suited for beginners. Okay, so if you are a beginner or if you have never ever done programming before, this is a great opportunity for you. You can basically start your programming career right now, straight from this video series, and I hope that this video series will help lots of you guys to start your programming career in Python or in any programming language basically. So our target will be to provide you a basic knowledge of programming, okay, the core, the basic thing about programming. And don't think of programming language as something like super sci-fi thing. It's just a language, just like English, Hindi. It's just a language, okay? But the easiest thing about programming is it uses English keywords. For example, if, for, like that. So if you have never done programming before, this is a great opportunity for you guys to start your programming career in Python or any other programming language. We will basically cover the core logic of programming. And for your knowledge, programming is not a sci-fi thing. It's just a simple language, okay? Just like Hindi, English, Japanese, Italian, French, whatever. So this is just a language that is used to give commands to the computer, okay? So just like we communicate with each other, for example, I can communicate with another human using his language or using an international language that is English. I can also communicate with computer using programming, okay? And these programming languages are so many programming languages, okay? Python is one of them, which is said to be the most easiest programming language of all. So that's why we started our video series with Python, and later on in this channel you will also see you will also get to learn about other programming languages as well. So I hope to see you guys in the next video series, and until then, have a good day.